welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete OME TV account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your OME TV account, all you gotta do is simply tap open your OME TV from your launcher or your home screen. You have opened your OME TV, all you gotta do now is simply go and tap on the settings icon on the top right hand side of the corner, which usually looks like a gear icon. So there on the bottom of the screen, you can find an option called delete profile. So simply tap on that particular option and tap on remove. So once you tap on the remove option, it will allow you to simply delete your OME TV account using this particular Gmail or email address. So if you want to open your OME TV, then you need to use a different profile or a different account now. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.